SOZO hardware setup. Unboxing and assembly instructions. SOZO is delivered in 4 different packages: Box A, B, C, and D. Unboxing. Box A contains the SOZO support stand. Box B contains the footplate and the hand plate. This box also contains a total of 4 screws and a hex key which will be used to attach both the plates to the SOZO support stand. Box C contains the SOZO system. This consists of the SOZO Touch and SOZO Step, as well as all the accessories needed for SOZO. Box D contains the Samsung tablet preloaded with the SOZO application. Identifying components. SOZO support stand. SOZO Connect. Samsung tablet. Power cord. SOZO cradle. Power adapter. Screws and hex key. SOZO step. SOZO touch. Footplate. Hand plate. Assembly. Step 1. Screw the footplate into the base of the SOZO support stand. Have one person hold the stand with the base upward, while the second person places the footplate onto the stand and screws it together using the hex key. Step 2. Place the plate on the stand with the mounting screws facing upwards and towards the blue strip. Screw the hand plate into the top of the SOZO support stand. Use the hex key and remaining screws to secure the hand plate. Step 3. Lace the SOZO Connect through the SOZO support stand. Feed the cord through the droplet hole on the back of the stand and out the front hole at the base of the stand. Step 4. Attach the SOZO Touch to the hand plate. Place the touch on the mounting screws and push back to lock in place. Step 5. Attach the SOZO Connect to the SOZO Touch and then to the SOZO Step. Connect the power cord to the power adapter. Step 6. Connect the power cord to the SOZO Step. Step 7. Attach the SOZO Step to the footplate. Once the SOZO Step is in place, plug the power cord into the wall. Step 8. Attach the SOZO cradle to the SOZO Touch and place the tablet in the landscape position on the SOZO cradle. SOZO setup is complete.